action. We're back in the action, boys. Alright, boys, glad to be back. We're going on a freaking treasure hunt today, if you will. Brad, what kind of treasure are we talking? Gold, silver, diamonds. Throw Selena Gomez in there. God damn, the ultimate treasure. You think she'll accept me with Selena on my lip or what? Anyway, boys, comment thumbs up down below. That's all I gotta say. Probably maybe gonna give something away in this video. I'm not sure. We're gonna see what we get. Oh, also, NameBranFam.com. Link down below. Buy a mystery box. $24.99. We also got free jewelry. I just ask you to pay shipping. It's sick stuff on there. Go do that, and it gives me money because views are low, and then we can purchase more things. Anyway, boys, with the premise of this video, fuck, where did I fucking left in the damn car? It's too cold for this shit, man. So long story short, no real explanation needed except for the fact that I forgot that this was coming in. I'm stoked for it. You guys know I shop eBay all the time. Find some really cool stuff on there. Used panties, if you will. Dog, don't promote that. Probably farts in jar and also flatulence in jar. Flatulence shit in a jar. You can probably find that. You can find a lot of cool stuff. But what we found, boys, is I've actually been kind of shopping around for this stuff for a while. It's jewelry. How do I put this? Sometimes when somebody dies, I feel like I'm having the first how people make love talk with one of my kids right now. Sometimes, kids, when somebody dies, their family comes into their nice house and puts everything up for sale without even looking at the worth of it. They just want it out. You know what I mean? What we have in this package is from an estate sale. If you guys don't know what an estate sale is, I don't really know the definition. It's a sale of like things in a house. Maybe the person didn't die. I'm just assuming. I'm kind of hoping they died because that means the family's trying to get everything out, like I say, and they don't look at what's valued. Editing room right now, boys. That was a joke. I don't hope they were dead. You gotta say nowadays, you know, there's no funniness anymore. Don't even think I can joke being on a toilet, so. Oh, I'm naked right now. Suck it, YouTube. Sorry, continue. Anyway, I don't know where I'm going, boys. But what's in this package is kind of a mystery bulk of items of jewelry that they were selling. They didn't say how much is going to be in it. I assume with an estate sale, they take all the person's jewelry, their jewelry, whatever. They got it in some sort of bin. You buy for 25, 50 bucks, whatever. I think I spent 50 on this, if I remember correct. And they just kind of put it in a bag. You get what you get. You can't pick out what they have. They don't have individual listings for the jewelry. You just get a lump sum of crap. Now, what we're hoping for, once again, boys, is gold, diamond, and what's the Selena Gomez, or no, silver. Selena Gomez would be nice. So we're gonna open it up, boys. We're gonna test each of them. If we have any silver or gold, we're gonna weigh it, see how much we get from that. If we could just go to the shop down the street that I'm banned from, to be honest, some sort of dollars for gold, and see what we can get from the materials in this. We got a diamond tester. Without further ado, boys, hopefully this is good. A lot of times when we've done stuff like this, it's like costume jewelry, so hopefully, I don't know. But boys, we're in this together. Without further ado, let's open up the damn pack, shall we? I'm off like 14 coffees right now. Boys, I've been stoked. Not actually really, because I forgot we had this coming in. Without further ado, and it does feel like there's a lot of jewelry in here, we have a paper bag. Yes! We're just gonna take stuff out. This could be a huge loss, huge win. We want our 50 bucks back. Obviously, if we get gold or silver, that's dope. Bad start. Now, one thing, I don't know why I have gum in my mouth. I'm not mad, bro. We got that. Unless these are real pearls, which they're not. There's some hepatitis on that, that's for sure. I have never seen something so dirty. Which means that's not silver. No, silver tarnishes that way. Oh, fuck. Okay, well, there's no stamping. First thing, see, this is how these go, man. We're just gonna stock up and let's freaking, oh my god. Now we're getting the men's stuff, it looks like, boys. I see gold, silver up the ass, man. Bro, I had to stop the camera for a second. Now I'm freaking shaking, man. I'm trying not to peek too much. If this is real gold and silver... Now I'm assuming they don't have the real gold stuff in here. You can only assume, but you never damn know, do you? Okay, so first off, we got a bracelet. This is like I love garage sailing, boys. I don't even buy anything. I just like to look at crap. We should do a garage sailing video in the summer and see how many we could get kicked out of for like lowballing them or something. That'd be so sick. Anyway, little gold thing right here. I'm not too stoked on it because I see zero stamping. Gold generally has a stamp. Garbage, maybe. This could be a lot of gold that I'm about to eat right now. Nux. Okay, this is crap. Dude, we're just looking for the things to get our money up, boys. And if I honestly, unless it's really crazy priced, maybe I'll give it away. If it's real, probably will. This right here, I can already tell. How can I tell? I don't know, to be honest. Yeah, not silver, garbage. Next, let's go! This is the stuff we want, bro. It's a rope chain. It's not a rope chain. What the fuck is that? There's a big motherfucker wearing this, apparently. Holy hell. One thing I see right off the bat, it's tangled with the hair in it. There's the hair tangled in the damn. I'm being a bitch right now. I know it, but I don't like it. The hair's there. I'm trying to. Oh, imagine. I don't want dead people's hair on my freaking hands. I'm being really insensitive. Oh my god, something's spilling out the bag. Holy fuck. Okay, I'm not gonna peek it. Holy fuck. I'm not gonna peek anymore. Markings, nothing. Garbage. Ah! Jewelry burn. Okay. We're going for the big gun. Man, this actually I might wear it right now. I should be stoked at this. I'm stoked at what I kind of saw. Boys, more gold. Not rope chain. More like a Cuban, like a double I don't know what the f I'm talking about. Like, don't get me wrong here, boys. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like gold. So we're rapid firing through these. I don't know how much is in this bag here. I don't want to take too much of y'all time, but the first thing I'm looking at with the link here, no stamp, but also I do see on this silver link, although it's still a sick chain, man. Like, honestly, when I say fake jewelry, what is jewelry? It's something you can wear. So, and I use fake a lot, but metal's metal, right? See, that still looks sick regardless. But yeah, no, I just saw there was tarnishing on the clasp, not gold. Fuck. We still have a few things in here, boys, for sure. There's one I'm saving for last. I got a peek of another bracelet. Looks like the same one. I mean, it's kind of sick, honestly. I might not break this one. It's probably gonna turn me fucking green, though. Probably gonna get some gonorrhea wearing this. Once again, this is just kind of a surprise. You can't hope for much. We have another one of these silver, though. No markings means probably not good. Holy we got diamonds! It looks like the same sort of set though, but we got, first time we're taking out the freaking diamond tester, boys. Let's do it. Boys, we got just a diamond thing right here. There's also no markings on it. People don't put this amount of diamonds on freaking silver. You're an idiot. And it's not white gold. Oh, great. Awesome. This guy had a collection of shit. Unless he's dead. I'm sorry, sir. I love this stuff. Oh, shit. Oh, there's two! There was two in my hand, I didn't even know it. Okay, these look sick. If you're a baby, maybe. Who's not gonna fit? Oh, that's embarrassing, that fits me. Okay, that actually looks kind of sick. I'm not even gonna break that. It says Doorland. There's no markings that I can see, and it's also a little bit right there. There's some stuff coming off. There's black underneath. This one right here, I really gotta get into the last one. Then we're freaking done. We're 0 for 50 right now. Heart pendant. Don't care if it's real or not. Gonna take that off. Oh, I broke it. Nothing there, nothing there. Boys, we're getting to the big guns. I now have zero hope in it, but it looks sick. Without further ado, the last one, boys. This one's really meant for a baby. There's no way this is fitting my wrist. I thought it was a necklace. Boys, we got the tennis chain. Holy freaking fuck! Okay, well, it looks sick. Right here, the clasp is tarnishing like a mother effer. Oh, man, I'm sweating. It's sick, boys. It's dope. It might fit your cat, maybe. But yeah, no, there's tarnishing all over it. I'm gonna try to focus in a little bit. Diamonds, it would look promising, man. The setting looked good. The setting on this is actually, in my opinion, once again, what the hell do I know? The setting looks cool. It's a little different. It's a little more old school, I thought. Still a cool. I might just give it to my girl and tell her it's real until her wrist inevitably turns green. We're gonna diamond test it regardless, boys. 50 bucks spent. Zero gained. Moment of truth. Well, there's our mansion estate sale of jewelry. You gotta win some to lose some, eh? And I think we have won one never. Maybe one time. I think we found some silver, but that is what it is. There's your video. It was fun. I've got a bunch of broken on my desk now, but that was pretty fun. No, I'm not bummed it off. That was fine. I can't wait to freaking break this open, chuck it all over the house. Been finding these around the house for years. I'd give something away to y'all, but I broke it all. So, bye. Appreciate it. New video, not tomorrow. Suit shopping with my boys for the wedding. Saturday, I'm gonna be mad hungover. Or Sunday, I mean. Monday, we got another video. Peace, boys.